Hello, good people. Hope you're doing well. We are in the festive season and we are trying out recipes in readiness for Christmas. So kindly show our recipes some love, like, share, and comment. And you can also let us know any other recipes we can try for Christmas before Christmas, because you know what? It's the happy season and it's the party season. So let's do this. Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete makeup burner and cylinder that we are giving away to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers. So introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the makeup burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription.
But you can't see enough. Just find it and take it. Don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it. Don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone. Feel like that. Feel like that. tiny star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Stay, 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 stay,
Hello, good people. Hope you're doing well. Jessie is my name, and on this channel, we are all about sustainable living at home, restaurant reviews, product reviews, and any reviews that comes our way, and of course ensuring we get the best rates when it comes to shopping and make savings as much as possible. Yeah, basically we are focused on minimalist living or frugal living, whichever suits you. So if this is your kind of content, kindly come on board by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time we have a new upload. So let's do this.